Yeah.
So, our friend Tony that we should have again in a month or two, right? Tony here in LA. That was like such a fun show, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the other day he goes, I got this trip, and I'm going like, okay, there's absolutely not a goddamn thing wrong with that trip. $54, 11 miles, obviously morning rush hour. You can tell 8:08 a.m. LA traffic is horrible. But I go, if it came in at 53, 54, 11 miles and 51 minutes to LAX, which most likely you're going to grab a trip going out of there, going back to where you are with upfront destination now. I'm like, no brainer all day long. 54 bucks an hour, bro. Come on now. He goes, yeah, but I don't know why they paid me so much. See, these drivers are always complaining about something. They don't get paid enough.
Like, why? I'm good.
Why am I making so much money? I'm going like, I'm going to kill myself, man. All these comments, all the videos we do, 10,000, 20,000 views, people comment right and left. They make money, they complain. They don't make money, they complain. I'm going like, what's going on in this world? So anyway, so he goes, how's this possible, Serge? I go, well, upfront fares that they liked you. Okay. They paid you 54 bucks for 11 miles, which is like, what is that, man? That's like $5 a mile, pure profit, and 51 minutes of your life, 52 minutes of your life, with a potential very lucrative trip coming out of LAX if it was surging. So I'm going like, okay. I go, you do probably realize that they charged the poor soul over $100. This is our conversation. So because I did the statement article now coming out next week. They took the passenger receipts away now. You cannot look at it on your app right after the trip ends.
Yeah,
you have to dig into the you have to dig into the website.
Yep.
Yeah. So and then they called it more transparent. I go like, all right, okay, whatever.
Just so good news with the area preference now becoming a benefit.
Yeah.
Or pro reward.
Oh yeah. That, piece by piece, these things are all going to go. My over under is going to be correct. We had the conversation. Remember? I go, my over under is 3 months for Uber to take away this upfront destination shit because people are just absolutely declining requests right and left. So anyway, I go, that's wonderful. Why are you complaining? He goes, no, I'm not complaining. But now that you said, they probably charge a passenger. He goes, they didn't probably charge him that much. It's like, I go, believe me, they probably did, because Uber algo usually is reasonably fair. They probably charged this guy over $100, so they gave you about half the fare. He goes, I'm going to go on my app, check it. If you're right on this, I'm never going to argue with you again. Well, guess what? Guess what they charge the PAX? $102.52.
Oh, damn. That's for a 10-mile-hour ride.
Yeah. You know what the cab rates are in LA, Chris? You know what the cab rates are in LA?
Well, $3.50 a mile.
$2.75 a mile. Okay. This guy paid $10 a mile. 102 divided by 11 miles. I'm going
do they do? I mean, don't they do time too for cab rates? So what you got 275 mile, but what's
275 and 60 cents every fifth of a mile. So in a cab, this trip probably would have been not more than 60 with tip. Okay. So much for your convenience.
But if you look, it's because of that surge. So he made $6.25 on the surge.
Yeah, but the passenger got charged probably $50 on that surge.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
So, and this is the new receipt, by the way. So Uber only made $38. Okay. Oh, there you go. While we're at it. Okay. Airport fee goes out of passengers. It goes to Uber and directly to LAX. You guys see this California driver benefits thing? That's Prop 22, people. That nobody sees a dime of that anywhere. I don't even know who runs the accounting, but we'll have big news coming on that one. This is the new breakdown, Chris. Do you see where it says commercial auto insurance? So Uber bought commercial auto insurance for those 11 miles and 52 minutes worth $5.55. You believe that? $5.55?
I mean, if you're adding the payment card fee in there and stuff, and then what are the other expenses? You know, I mean, I'm going to take it with a grain of salt.
Okay.
Uh,
All right.
I mean, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
That's that. I'll give it. That's about all I can say there.
Yeah. Okay. By the way, look at the middle screenshot, Chris. Do you see the middle screenshot? Okay. Do you, on the way bottom, you know where it says Uber X priority?
Yep.
See that 350 they charged the poor I mean they paid Tony
Yep.
the 350. So when you are an idiot passenger and you click I want priority pickup, that's when the $40 surge came in on their end. They go, "Oh, sucker, you pay 102." Now, in this case, let me tell you this. This is wonderful. This is win for the driver, win for the passenger, win for Uber. Why can't
Hey,
life be like this all day long?
hold on. Time out. How is this a win for the passenger?
Well, he paid it, didn't bitch it, didn't complain. He paid it. He thought his convenience factor was worth $102.
Okay.
FYI, this is Uber X, by the way. This is not like Select or Lux or whatever.
Yeah, it's just that Uber X.
But it's Uber X priority. Uber X priority. Priority, you get ripped. So I'm like, yeah.
So in other words, we're gonna try to get you the somebody who's like 2 minutes faster. But yeah,
it usually is not. So so you have to do in LA 10 of these a day. There's your $500. There you go. $50 an hour. There you go. Anyway, do you guys in LA get more than 20 surge? Yeah, we get, bro. Halloween is coming. $40-$50 surge coming up.
Halloween's big. Yep.
Big. This year is going to be huge.
This weekend, drivers out there, this weekend is going to be a big weekend. There's a lot of parties going on. There's a lot of things happening. There's going to be a lot of demand for rides and food delivery. So position, plan, and what was the other P? I can't think of it.
Come on, man. Patience.
Yeah. No, you don't even need patience at that time. You're just going to continue going.
Yeah, but you need to pick the ones that are the best for you. Yeah. So yeah, Halloween weekend, people. Okay, because our show is going to be on Tuesday. I'm going to drive on Halloween at least 15 hours. If I don't make $750, I'm a jackass. Now, the other thing is, why is Halloween going to be great this year? It's on a Monday. It's on a work day. So people are going to make an excuse of working, partying Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to be bleeding in LA, baby. There we go.
All over the place.
Weezer is not here today. I'm disappointed.
What's up?
This one, on the other hand,
this is what to watch out for. Like Uber, the first one, that's what you want to look for in a ride. I mean, they're not always going to be like that. Let's be real. You need to know what where you want to accept it versus where you don't want to accept it.
No, but there are a lot of those
hands down win. But these are some things you got to watch out for when it comes to these upfront earnings.
Yeah. Okay, so this was sent to me again by a driver. So I get like so many good ones now, Chris, that I have to actually like pick and choose now because so this guy says short trip. I accepted the trip. What do I say always on the show, people? I say, take screenshots. Okay, please. And a lot of them go, well, it's 6 seconds. And, I don't have the time. I'm like, well, if you don't have the time, you can argue about this. He got his money back. So the ping screen, as you guys see, comes in. $125 surge, 494 rated passengers. 3 minutes, 8 miles away. I don't know what that is. Okay. But then on the bottom right-hand corner, there is 3 dots on the Uber app for everybody. When you click on the 3 dots on your way to the passenger, you will see the background screen with the guy's name and the surge amount that's attached to it. Well, guess what Uber did? Uber goes, oh, $125, way too much. We're going to lower it to 16 cents. I go like, huh? So if you accept the trip and front screenshot says $125 and the back screenshot sometimes will say none, because then Uber will come into you and says, well, where the passenger was at that time was not surging. That's why we take that into consideration and don't pay you. I go, F you. I have a screenshot. Pay me my $125. Not a big deal. But they lowered from this poor guy to 16 cents. I mean, that's a joke. What is that? At least you should give him a quarter.
I've never seen anything under $1.
Oh, there you go, buddy. Right there.
I've never seen anything under $1, though.
Well, you know.
So I don't have any idea what that's all about. But wow, yeah. I mean,
well, I have the fair page. I have the fair page, Norma. These are all confirmed. I don't put anything up without confirming this stuff. So you have to trust me on this. I know you're new here, but you have to trust me on this. So what else we got, buddy? But that LA passenger, $102 for a 10-mile trip. $10 a mile, baby.
That's nice. That's nice right there.
I mean, look, Tony killed it. $54 for an hour. Hell yeah. 10 miles. How much gas did he burn in 10 miles?
Oh, not a lot.
Quarter of a gallon?
Not enough to be a problem.
Not enough to be a problem for $54.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.